This ain't a game, my niggas getting money. Added a few pounds, the opposite of being bummy. Y'all niggas is dummies, hustle hard, bro, with no money. While we steady stacking, taking trips and relaxing. Bitches stay fucking, we leave them climaxing. Never made love, but I broke a few backs in. I'm from 5'6", so you know I stay flexing. 57 crooks up top, no question. 34th and Minna, them niggas straight getting it. Shout out Dope Boys, my nigga Key straight spitting it. Suge CD is coming out next. I guess you could say my nigga's kinda the best, but oh well, I take a puff off my chest, nigga relieving the stress. I know my death's coming, so I could be next. At any given time, I'm out here, thugging the summer. I be hotter than the high boy, blazing your mother. Niggas all about that detail, trapping with these females. I be on my block, nigga, run you off, so oh well. Big brother, he come back, knocked out for them dime sacks. That's how we get around here. This parking lot is hot black, and I tell you when I scored you, better have my money, cuz if you owe me, you know you can lose your life, cuz my thugs will run up, bust a shot and keep it moving. Have a bitch that'll fuck you and they'll tell me what you straight doing. I get into it, I love beef, nigga, you know I love that. If you wanna go to war with me, I hope y'all niggas got more straps. Them handguns gets nowhere. We around with chopper play, we grown men and I'm in my 30s, so I got a 30 clip. Okay, yeah, I pop that, you know I stop that. And if them shoes is hot, mama, I'ma go ahead and cop that. I rock black on black and white and shit, nigga. No colors when I'm on that fucking strip, nigga. This ain't no LA gangs, nigga. We be thuggin'. Round here, boy, you get one from your cousin. You wish you wasn't off that dipper when you killed shorty. Now you're in the pen, locked up doing straight 40. I'm on that block, nigga, I'm so hot. Tell me I can't rock, I tell y'all just suck. Fuck that, I run blocks, shut down on all strips. And a nigga say that I can't do it, I come around with that 4/5. Don't make me come off the block, off retirement, off my grind. Nigga, I've been doing this shit, best bet since 95. Okay, I'm on mine, grind time and I'll close that. Why you think I ain't never got hit? Why you think I ain't never got shit? Fuck y'all, y'all never got this, never had. Yeah, never had. Yeah, I never had